What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I'm back with another video, man. Sorry if I'm looking a mess. It's Sunday. Usually I don't do much on Sundays, but like clean and do all that stuff. But you see we at the car wash right now. Got Red here behind me because, of course, we got something to install on her today. She is super dirty for the most part, and I just want to go ahead and wash off really quick. It is supposed to rain the next few days, but she is filthy, man. Let me show y'all, like, y'all can see that. Not sure whether the camera pick it up. I'm gonna hit the car wash. Sorry if it's loud, but of course other people here. But I'm about to go ahead and wash her really quick before we do our install. So yeah, I mean, I want it to be clean for the install. Just the part I want to add on, I just want it to be clean in the area. So we'll go ahead and get to that today. Quick update. I know you guys already watched my last video. We did get a light bar put on Red here, so you can see it looks very good. Look at that light bar for. Look, way, it actually does change the front of the way the truck looks. So we got something else to install here today. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up really quick, just a quick wash, not detail at all, because like I said, it's supposed to rain. Yeah, I'll get finished up washing it, and then I'll catch y'all here in a second. So guys, just like that, Red is now all clean, as you can see behind me. Actually, I forgot to do the freaking windshield. I'm gonna get that here in a second. But she is now all clean. Like I said, I just did a quick wash. Usually takes me about an hour to wash her, close to an hour. Took me maybe 10, 15 minutes this time. Quick update on something I do want to mention here really quick. This here, I love the center console thing, man. My change actually holds and stays in there now. Also got some free Sloshki coupons, man, you know. It just holds my change better. I got way more storage space up top. I mean, you do have to lift it up to get to the bottom, but it's not that big of a hassle. But yes, I actually do love this thing, and I will drop the link in the description below where I got this from. If I forget, just drop me a comment and I'll put it down there. I'm about to head back home now and go ahead and talk about what we're going to install today and show you what it is. I think you'll like it. I know, hopefully I will like it. Hopefully it fits, first of all, as well. And I'll talk about where I got it from and all that, so let's go. Just like that, I am back at home now, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I ain't gonna keep y'all waiting too long as to what we installing. So I'm gonna show y'all, it's right around here. And boom, that's it. Take a guess what it is? Go ahead, comment below if you guess what that is right there. You got 2 seconds. 1, 2, guess. All right, so that's right, man. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all, so I did get some wheel well liners for back here to clean this up back here. As you may know, the front automatically comes with one. I'm not sure why Ford doesn't put them on the back or any. I've seen a few cars now that since I ordered me some, just out of curiosity to see who had them, who didn't. Most trucks don't have them, even on Chevys or anything like that. But basically this is one to the main purpose is to protect your components and everything back here, as well as, you know, keep dirt and debris from getting stuck up here and to give it a cleaner look. That's what the purpose of them for. You can see they're super lightweight, nothing crazy. Take a look. Here's the holes, how they're cut out. You know, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And yeah, so also mine, sorry about the noise. I'm not sure if you can see right there, it says RH, which means right side. And the other one has left side on there. I actually got these guys off eBay for $100. After shipping, it was $110. And I was looking at some on Amazon and things like that. They were going for $129, $130, $140. So I got a deal on these liners. And the guy who sold it to me, not sure if you watch it, man, but thank you for letting me take these off your hand. I believe he said he ordered this set. They didn't come, didn't show up, called the company. They sent him a brand new set. And then next thing you know, these showed up. So he had an extra set that he was trying to unload. And so I got them for $100, $10 after shipping, $110. And these are OEM. These are not like Husky liners or Rough Country. These are OEM from Ford, and I'm pretty sure they cost more than $100 from Ford. So I actually came up on a deal. I actually forgot how much stuff you can get off eBay. I usually used to shop eBay for everything, and then all of a sudden I started doing Amazon. Not sure why, but I'm definitely gonna start going back to eBay for some stuff because you just get better deals on a lot of things. So $100. And we're gonna go ahead and talk about the install. It's super easy, probably take you about 10 minutes. Maybe you just need a screwdriver, drill, and that's it. You don't have to do any cutting or anything like that. So let me go ahead, I'm gonna need both hands. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch, put my GoPro on so you all can see. and then yeah, we'll start the install. All right guys, to do this install is super easy. Depending on what you get, what well liner you get may be a little different for you than me. So again, with mine, it comes with 9 pieces total. So you get 3 of these. I'm gonna explain what these are. You get 3 screws and like 3 poppers thingy. So basically, what you do first is you take these 3 clamp thingies and you put them in, not the circle holes, but the oval holes. And there's a one for right. So you just take this. I put the, make sure you put the big circle in here in the middle up. So you just pop them in. So it should click one. There's another hole here, 2, and then there's one here. I'm gonna turn it this way, and then it clips in, 3. So you take those 1, 2, 3, clip those in, and then what you're gonna do now is you're gonna go ahead and put your well liner in. And this is super simple as well. Just go ahead and take it down, make sure your holes are all lined up, and they should be good. So here, make sure I don't need to rotate it, well, you can't rotate it. So you're just gonna take this in and go ahead and just kind of, and hope that you all can see this via the angle I got. And you're gonna go ahead and just pop this in. It pops in super easy. So that side is in. For whatever reason, this is not lining up on this side. Like it's not going all the way up for whatever reason. I'm not sure why, because it seems to be hitting here pretty well. All right guys, so I got it to line up. I didn't have to take it all the way out. Something was catching. I'm not sure exactly what it was, but something was catching, but I got it figured out. Okay, next, you're gonna take your 3 screws here, and you're gonna need a drill. I said screwdriver earlier. You're gonna need a drill. Basically, you're gonna take these 3 screws here and put them in those same spots that we put those clamps. So for its purposes, just to show the video, you're gonna sit that right in there, just like that, in this little hole, the small hole, and then you're just gonna drill it in. You're gonna do that for the 3 screws, those 3 clamps that we just put in. Let me do something else. So I had an issue on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in. The reason I did that, I had an issue on the other side, and this part did not line up right, and I already screwed everything in, so I might have to unscrew everything and get it to line up right. But that's just my advice. Go ahead and do this one first, because these line up pretty good over here and here, pretty easy, but that one didn't. So anyway, just my Q-tips. I wish I had a smaller tire, because to get to these side ones right here, this one and this one, this tire does get in my way. It's super hard to get it in there. But we'll just go ahead and start with this one to show y'all. Put it there, here. Whoops, went in there crooked. That's in there. And so now I'm gonna do the same thing for the other 2. Okay, got that one in. Last one over here. Boom. So that's in there now. So now you're gonna take these 2. Remember, I already put one in there right here. You're gonna take these other 2 and just pop them into place. So here, and they should pop in. You should hear it. There it goes. Same thing on this side. Boom, just like that. That's in there as well. Okay guys, so that is it. I'm done. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all another look shot here. Hopefully the GoPro captured all that and my body's not blocking the sun, but that's how it looks now. As you can see, very flush look, looks very well, looks good. These are high quality, good product. Let's give you guys a further back look. Not sure if you can see, but yeah, it definitely does clean up the truck as well. I thought it covered all of this body as well, but I guess I was just wrong. I'm gonna show y'all the other side here really quick. The issue I'm having, which is getting that last popper lined up. So this is the other side. Got everything installed right here. I'm having trouble getting this lined up. I can easily do it if I had a hand, because if I just push this up very hard, like push this up, push that up, I can almost get it to line up, but I can't. So anyway, so I think I'm gonna have to undo this one, push it up, and then see what I can get. get that one lined up. But I think the hardest part for sure was trying to get the hose lined up correctly. And then second, my tire, this is a bigger tire, being in the way to get those two down here in the corner on each side. But other than that, man, it wasn't hard at all. Screws on mine was a 7mm, I believe it is. Let me check to be sure. Yeah, it was a 7mm for my driver right there. So just if you're wondering what size it is, mine's 7mm, but it may differ depending on which company you go with. But yeah, that's all I got, man. Looks good, all black and clean now. You can't see no more of that red body paint anymore. You can get a view from this side really quick. It's a small detail, you can't really tell, I'm be honest with you. If you didn't know I put that there, you wouldn't be able to tell. But you can, but knowing that it's there, it does give a better look, the black, and rather than that red paint right there. But anyway, man, that's all I got, man. Another video, another quick install for red. We almost getting to the bottom end of what I want to do to red. There's on the outside, I always say this, but there's two more things, big things I really want to do on the outside. In the interior, there's two big things I want to do in there as well. Red would almost be complete, man. So we gotta come up with some more video ideas. Y'all drop some comments in below for videos y'all want to see besides just the install videos. I got stuff with the tune I can do. I think I'm doing a video with the tune. Some races I was trying to get scheduled and do that. But anyway, man, that's all I got. Thank y'all for watching. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Y'all say bye to red, say bye red. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.